Okay, good morning. On this video, I'm going to show you some pictures and some the pronunciation, sorry, of the different greetings and farewells. Okay, the first greeting is good morning. This greeting you can use when you not just when you wake up, but in the morning. I think 6, 7, 8 a.m. through 12 o'clock. Okay. Good afternoon. This is maybe since 4 or 3 o'clock through 7 or 8, more or less. These pictures show you that it's a time when children or you may play or do you hang out with your friends. The next one is good night. It's the you can use it since 8 o'clock through 12 and the midnight. Okay, you can use it when you see people at this time. The next one and the most common is hello. You can use it when you see a friend or just because. Hi, it's similar that hello, but it's more like just hi. How are you? It's when you are interested on the other person or other people, and you are asking about them. Okay, how are you? Oh, I'm fine. Or oh, I'm not good. Or whatever you. How are you? It's like you are asking for his feelings or this kind of stuffs. How are you doing? How are you doing? It's like um similar like how are you, but how are you doing is like more another way to say how are you, but you are also asking about feelings or how the person feels. Okay. Then we have farewells that it's a way to say goodbye or this kind of stuffs. The first way to farewell is nice to meet you. When you all meet a person, maybe you meet your partner and you are talking, hey, how are you? What is your name? Eduardo, and yours? Maria. Ah, okay, nice to meet you. See you. Okay, nice to meet you. It's like, bye. The next one is the most common, that is bye. It's just say bye. The next one is see you later. See you later, we can use it to say people maybe that you are interested on see you another on see them another time, sorry, and you just finish the conversation. For example, I commonly use see you on the next class, see you on Wednesday, then the day that we have uh, class. Okay, this is see you later or see you on a specific uh, day or on a specific moment. Okay, I I hope that this video help you with the pronunciation. Okay, uh, some of you have troubles on pronunciation. Also, when it's supposed you watch the YouTube video with instructions, with the pronunciation, sorry, and you I hope that you enjoyed the video. See you on the next activity. Thank you.